a zucchini boat of Italian goodness, and a southwestern lettuce wrap. These recipes have an important tip that'll spice up your life guaranteed. Hi, it's Shandy Autry, and this is Clean Eating the Red Mountain Way. What's the key to making these dishes so tasty and also a key to your successful weight loss program? Seasonings. And today in the Red Mountain Kitchen, we're putting together 2 homemade spice combinations that will be your go-to seasonings for lots of your favorite dishes. A Mexican spice combo and an Italian one. Why create your own clean eating spice pantry? Because you know exactly what's in the ingredients. And while herbs and spices can be expensive, if you check your local Asian or Mexican markets, these spice packs are less than $1. For the Mexican combination, you'll need seasonings with a spicy profile. Portioned out, it's 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, quarter of a teaspoon of pepper, and a quarter of a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Mix it all together and you're ready to make something delicious like a turkey lettuce wrap. Spray a skillet with 0-calorie cooking spray. Then add a pound of ground turkey and a tablespoon or more of your Mexican spices. When the turkey is cooked, simply spoon it into a lettuce cup. Top with chopped tomatoes and shredded lettuce. A simple, clean-eating lunch or dinner anytime. For an Italian-inspired dish, you'll need seasonings with a Mediterranean profile. Portioned out, it's 2 tablespoons of basil, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix them together and create a delicious, healthful meal by cooking a pound of turkey. Add your Italian seasonings, a tablespoon or more, and I like to add about a half a cup of organic tomato sauce. Carve out a zucchini and then just fill your boat with a delicious protein-rich meal that's filling and full of flavor. Creating your own clean eating pantry is really important to your weight loss journey. I'm amazed at how many store-bought spices have added sugar and preservatives. Make your own and you know exactly what you're eating. And the shelf life of dried seasonings? Generally a couple of years, and it's important to store them in a cool, dark, dry place, well seasoned in containers or jars. A storage unit like this is perfect because it'll keep your Mexican and Italian spices readily available. So spice up your weekly meals with your own homemade clean eating seasonings. For more great recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain Way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.